Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google AI Studio. There are major upgrades going on right now in Google AI Studio. If you have been using it for a very long time, you need to pay proper attention to this video and see some of this new feature and see how you can explore some of this new tool in Google AI Studio. Let me show you again. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google AI Studio app. So I'm going to click on here now to open my Google AI Studio app. However, if you do not have this particular app installed on your Android phone or your iPhone, consider to check the description of this video and see how you can install the app and see how you can have it in your Android phone or your iPhone as a. So when you launch into your Google AI Studio, it's open up like so. The next thing you want to do is to let us see some of the new features in this particular AI Studio. If I proceed to Gemini right here, so let's find out what is new under Gemini. Right here, we have Nano Banana right now in your Google AI Studio. You can scroll down also and you get Gemini Flash, which is also new to in Google AI Studio. If we proceed to images section right here, we have Nano Banana, we have Imaging 4, which is also new. We have Imaging 4 Ultra, which is also new. Okay, that is for under image generation. Okay, when we proceed to audio right here, we have Gemini 2.5 Flash Native Audio Preview. So we have it here as a new. You can scroll down right here. So that's only what we have right here as a new. As at the time of making this video, you can take a look at the time right here. That is for the audio section. Let's take a look at the video section and see what is actually new right here. There is nothing more under the video section. Now, what you can do right here is to try as much as possible to explore some of these new tools right here. Let's say, for instance, we want to explore this Nano Banana, which is a new tool. What we want to do is to go ahead and click on it. Then it's going to open up like so. You can see ready to chat with Nano Banana. We can go ahead and ask Nano Banana with whatever thing we want to chat with. And one more thing here is that we can upload file. You can click on this plus sign right here, which allows us to upload my Google Drive. We can also upload a file from our phone. We can also take a live picture. We can also upload sample media, which can be screenshot or what have you in this particular section of Nano Banana right here. So as far as this is concerned, so let's explore the Gemini Flash latest. So if you click on Gemini Flash latest, you can also do the same. You can click on this plus sign right here. We can upload file from our Google Drive. We can upload raw file. We can upload our audio record, take a photo, record a video. We can also take a video sample from YouTube. We can also take a media sample. This is all under the Gemini Flash latest new update. It's that simple. So this is what I have for you as far as the major upgrade is concerned in Google AI Studio. Let me know what you think about some of these new features in the comment section down below. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Google AI Studio, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.